Welcome to our channel where we guide you through fixing your Axos Bank login issues step by step. Without complications, welcome to our channel where we guide you through fixing your Axos Bank login issues step by step without complications. If you're having trouble logging into your Axos Bank account, don't worry. This quick guide will help you regain access easily and securely. First, ensure your internet connection is stable since unstable connectivity can cause login problems. Next, double-check your username and password for accuracy. Sometimes, a simple typo can prevent access. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page and follow the instructions to reset it securely via your linked email or phone number. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can also resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data. Go to your browser settings and clear these files, then try logging in again. Additionally, try accessing your account through a different browser or device to see if the problem persists, as sometimes browser-specific issues can interfere with login. If you are still unable to log in, check if Axos Bank's servers are down by visiting their official social media channels or server status pages. Temporary outages can happen. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Axos Bank customer support directly for personalized assistance. Provide them with any relevant details so they can help you resolve the issue quickly and safely. Remember, keeping your app updated or using the official website is always recommended for smooth banking sessions. Don't let login problems disrupt your banking experience. Follow these steps carefully and get back to managing your finances without hassle. Also, ensure your security by never sharing your login details and using strong, unique passwords for your online banking. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and like the video to get more helpful guides and tips for all your tech and banking needs.